Have you ever seen a dog that looks like it stepped out of the savannah? Today, we're diving deep into the Leonberger, a breed known for its lion-like appearance. Leonbergers are giant dogs named after the German city of Leonberg. They're recognized for their impressive size and regal appearance, often compared to lions. What makes a dog look like a lion? Firstly, Leonbergers have a distinctive coloring that can range from white to black or brindle. This unique fur pattern mimics the appearance of a lion's mane. Leonbergers have wide heads and powerful jaws, resembling those of lions. Their thick fur coats further enhance their lion-like resemblance, adding to their majestic appearance. These dogs are athletic with muscular bodies and strong hindquarters, making them agile despite their size. This physicality is similar to lions, known for both strength and grace. Leonbergers are not just visually impressive, they're also brave and loyal companions. Their personality traits align well with the respect and admiration humans have for lions. Despite their fierce appearance, Leonbergers are known for their gentle nature and make great working dogs. They thrive when given a job to do, much like how lions protect their prides. So there you have it, Leonbergers are more than just big dogs, they embody the majesty of a lion. What aspect surprised you most about these incredible creatures? Let me know in the comments.